Today, I'm going to teach you how to hang anything on your wall level. Easy peasy.
Be strong.
Okay, whether you're hanging something in your bathroom or you're hanging something on the wall, how do you get it straight? First of all, start with some painter's tape. Put it on the back of the object you're trying to hang on the holes. Mark it with a Sharpie. And then put that blue tape, the painter's tape, right on the wall where you want it. Double check to see if the height is right. And then what you're going to do is get your level out and make sure that that is level. Easy peasy, right? Here I'm just adjusting just a little bit, and then where those two marks are, I am going to put my screws in the wall, or whatever else you're using. It could be nails too. And if you're not going into, if it's something heavy, you want to make sure you put anchors in the wall as well. I didn't have to because this is just a small little shelf. Then I'm tightening it up, and then one little trick here. Those screws, I don't really want people to see those, so I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm just going to cover them up with the Sharpie. Yeah, isn't that funny? And then those screws just kind of disappear into the background. See how easy that is? So next time that you're hanging something, pictures or anything, give this a shot. Just get your painter's tape out and make your marks and level it on the wall.